What's up, fellow nerds? Happy Valentine's Day. Dropping hopefully about 3 new videos of Stock Doc today. Um, let's get right to it. I thought it'd be fun to periodically kind of give an update on how Mom's account's doing. Posted on Facebook and Twitter on January 26th. Mom gave me the keys and the green light to do whatever I want to help her trading account, and it was all Disney, which is a wonderful quality company. And she told me Disney's been good to me. Don't mess this up. So we sold Disney about $173 on January 26th and started doing our thing. And as Major Payne would say, killing is my business, and business is good, and business has been good. This is a graph, total value of the account. Again, took over on January 26th. We sold Disney at 173. It's done great. Disney had great earnings just the other day. One time they were up maybe 10-11% since we had sold. It's sitting in the 180s right now. So there's nothing wrong with Disney. They've done a good job, but we've implemented the stock doc strategy in her account, and we're up by about 48%. So this is January 26th on the graph when we took over. This is the very short period of time where Mom was freaking out, wondering if she made the right choice, and this is what we've done in the past couple weeks. What have we done? Well, we've picked a few favorites that we're going to be building larger positions in. Advaxis, Celsion being one of them, and then Precision Oncology. And as those stocks have pulled back or remain kind of stagnant, we've had several other stocks that we've bought, and many of those we're not holding anymore. We took short-term gains of 5, 10, 15, 20, 30%, 50% in some of the other stocks we bought using the filters, and we sold those and increased our position, again, ADXS, CLS, and POAI, and now we're just holding those as they grow, and she's really enjoying some nice gains. So I wanted to make a video today on a few of my new favorites. Applied DNA Sciences, kind of love at first sight for me. This will be a core holding going forward for me. I'm not looking to trade this short term or swing it for any particular gains. This is a stock that I'm looking to make tenfold my investment on minimum. How long that will take, I don't know. 1 to 3 months, 6 to 12 months, 2 years, I'm not sure, but I'm thinking it's going to be a lot quicker than one might guess, and I'll show you my theory on this company. So let's go to Yahoo Finance. I found this stock using my same filter strategy. So one day last week, this reached the first page. Right now it is sitting at, come on now, well, I guess we're just gonna have to search it. So it's sitting at about a 32% discount per Morningstar. So this was on the first page under $11, and just read up about it and was extremely impressed. Company's worth about $88 million, and just some of the recent PR. Actually, this PR happened after I had bought it, and I was just kind of laughing and blown away. COVID variant testing is a big deal. If you haven't been reading headlines, we've got the UK variant, the African variant. I'm even having trouble keeping up with all the different variants of this virus, but they're going to be a big deal. May require variations in vaccine. So we just had one of the first, I guess the first variant of the UK form of COVID-19, and it happened right down the street in western Kansas where I live, which is public information on the news. Anyway, come to find out after I bought this company, they were involved in actually the detection of that. So pretty cool. So COVID variant testing is going to be a big deal. And if we look at their website, I mean, they're doing some big things. This is big boy science here. Um, they're doing COVID variant testing. They're doing vaccine development for the variants. Pretty amazing. They're getting contracts or working on getting contracts for COVID-19 surveillance. Also, pretty diverse industry. Molecular tagging of fertilizer. I have no idea what that is, but just what I can see in the COVID-19 industry makes me think that this is quickly going to become a $1 billion company. Again, COVID-19 variants are a big deal. Vaccine development and the vaccines keeping up with these developments is a big deal. And to see this company sitting here at a market cap of $88 million is just hilarious to me. And also wanted to give a little story about the trust that I have in these filters and how that paid off pretty big last week. So I started a position around 1080 or so. The stock quickly ran up even as high as $13, and you could kind of see what was going on. They did a PR that they were going to host an earnings call on, I believe that was Thursday the 11th. Yeah. And a bunch of people kind of jumped on the stock, riding it into the earnings call, hoping for a quick buck, and their earnings were fine. But remember that they're talking about their earnings that ended a month and a half ago, and COVID variant testing wasn't that big of a deal until really just the last few weeks. So I don't know what disappointment the hedge funds had or some amateur retail investors, but the stock sold off about 20% or more after that earnings call, and it reached an after hours or pre-market of like $9.80. So I just kind of did some quick math and said, oh, if they think this stock's worth $17.50 or $18, well, when it hit $10, I was just jumping on it because that was a we're 45% discount or maybe even better. And sure enough, if you look at the chart on Friday, the market agreed. The stock was hit as low as 1076, and just throughout the day it just kind of got bought up because whatever metrics people are using to buy, they don't often when you see stocks start to get 40-50% discounted, like I said, in that $10 range, they get scooped up pretty quick. They don't sit there at that level of discount for very long. So just a little story that can help you appreciate the trust you can have in the Morningstar and how you can use that to calculate what discount you're looking at during the trading day or in pre-hours or post-hours. And it can help you buy and sell. So anyway, this is one of my new favorites. I'll be building a big position in it. I don't care if the stock's $9, $12, $13, $15. If it's filtering below 30% discount in any day in the future, whether that's above or below my cost average, I'll be buying. And probably even, I have such conviction in it, I'll probably be buying under or 20% discount or better. It's a company I have a lot of conviction in, and I have sights set on at least 10x, and I'm thinking this is on the long term, 2 years, short term, we could see that in 3 months. I just don't know, but it's one that I want to get as much of as I can for me and Mom. All right, have a great Valentine's Day. Hope you enjoyed the video, and APDN, new favorite.